Hey guys, I wanted to show you a home assessment that I did recently that'll show you what not to do with the sump pump installation. After a big rainfall, I got a call from a property manager saying that their basement flooded because the sump pump installation was pretty bad, and he wasn't kidding. Whenever we do these home assessments, the goal is simple. What can we do to fix the problem permanently? No two homes are the same, so a home assessment or visit is going to be necessary. And for this one, the issue was clear right away. First off, the sump pump was just literally sitting in a hole in the floor, so the flow switch was getting stuck on the concrete and gravel and not activating when it needed to. Worse still, the hole wasn't deep enough to keep the water safely below the finished floor, as well as there's no dedicated circuit for power. And the discharge pipe was just a corrugated hose, which tends to cause more problems than they solve because they leak. And outside, the discharge extension pipe was poorly supported and prone to freezing. In short, this system was just slapped together by somebody who didn't know what they were doing. So here's how we're going to fix it. Number one, we're going to put a proper sump basin in. What that means is we got to enlarge the hole and install an 18 by 22 inch perforated sump basin surrounded by 1.5 inch gravel to promote drainage. This will also keep the pump safe and allow the float switches to operate without getting stuck. Number two, we're going to install a proper aluminum jacketed Liberty primary sump pump. This pump will rest on top of a platform that'll keep it off the floor of the basin, ensuring it doesn't suck up any sand between maintenance visits. Number three, we're going to add a smart battery backup sump pump system. We use the Liberty 442-10 amp-I battery backup sump pump system. Now this pump will last up to 8 days, cycling every 15 minutes without power. Also, it's Wi-Fi capable and connects to an application on the property manager's phone, allowing him to know exactly what's going on with the system, which is fantastic for warranty. And finally, we're going to upgrade the discharge pipe from this corrugated hose to 1.5 inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. Now, when the pipe exits the building and goes outside, we're going to do an indirect connection to a 4-inch BDS PVC pipe that will then run with some good grade to this already existing 4-inch pipe that runs to a low-lying area on the property. The reason why we do an indirect connection is to ensure that if that PVC extension ever got clogged, the water could gush out of that connection point and allow the owner to know that there's a problem without the basement flooding. This project, start to finish, will only take 6 hours to complete, and we'll recommend doing annual maintenance to make sure that the system functions for the foreseeable future. If your sump pump setup at your house looks anything like this one, at least get the sump pump into a proper sump basin. This will ensure that the sump pump operates smoothly and keeps the water level safely below your floor. And ditch the corrugated hose discharge pipe and upgrade to a solid either ABS or PVC discharge pipe. You'll save yourself a lot of trouble. Also, don't wait until the spring to have this done. When the snow melts and the rain comes, every plumber is going to be busy and booked solid and can't help you when you need them to. Be proactive, not reactive. Your plumber will thank you, and so will your basement. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, stay dry.